Power valve, 1998 KX125. This is all heavy metal. This was a little stuck when I was first pulling it out. But these pieces are heavy, and I'm going to weigh them for you right here if I can get that out. So just that shaft is 33 grams. Now this shaft has a dot. See that dot? If you don't get that lined up with the other dot, your power valve timing will be way off. So when I bought this about 3 years ago, I could tell as soon as I wrote it this had happened. It was a tooth off, and so the power valve came open very late, like it didn't have a power valve, if you will. The other way to go would open too early and you'd lose all your top end. Okay, so that was 33 grams. This is almost 30 grams. Let's see here. 22 grams. Okay. Then we've got to get this out. Alright, so we lifted that out. See this outer diameter up here, the oval? That's a very snug fit. So you can see how filthy this is. So my son erased many years, 95 through 08. So there he is. Can you see that? God damn. Edit. Okay, so this goes inside this shaft. Okay. And there's another gear that lines up on this with a steel shaft going down here, which is also very heavy. And it engages ultimately down in the crank with this, which is very heavy. Which all surprises me. There's just no reason to make them so heavy. And you need to get that, you know, in the right position at top dead center. And if you do that right, you'll be happier than if you don't. And so these power valves get dirty fast. And I had to take his bike apart every week, basically, and clean stuff. That's an 80, they don't have power valves. So this comes apart here. It's 2 parts. Very heavy metal. Put it on the scale here. Oh yeah, it's like 200 grams. More. We're looking at 160 grams. Dirty. So this stuff can gum up like this pretty quick. We were at the races, mud race, and came home and took a swing arm apart, and water had gotten in there and created rust in a day. Now who takes their swing arm apart every 2 weeks or so? I had just decided to take this apart because of the race. So I'm going to try and bore this out 2 millimeters. Okay, so we're cleaning. You can see how dirty it is. So I'm starting to clean. And then over here, almost got this clean. Extremely well burnt. And I'm going to be on this probably a good half hour. I don't think it's ever been cleaned properly. So here's an example of how it works. This moves in and back. Okay. It's clean now. It's a lot of work. Okay. So this is fixed. There's 2 bolts holding it in place, and that's the one that moves. So we had 164.5 grams when we started. And we now have that's so we lost about 5 grams. Okay, that's clean, So that whole power valve assembly, but that also includes the cover. But that's 306 grams. So we knock off, I don't know what, a couple ounces to